Biology, Mathematics and Education is a degree that incorporates all of the content of biology and mathematics and some education. This means that when you graduate with your Bachelor of Science in Biology and Maths and Education, if you wish to continue with teaching, you go on to your Masters and pursue a career as a biology and maths teacher, or you could pursue a different route because you have a lot of content in biology and mathematics, very valuable in industry at the moment. We have two streams actually within the biology, mathematics and education. So if zoology is floating your boat and you really want to pursue the study of the large mammals, etc., you can go that route. Or if microbiology is more to your liking, you can go that route. But at the end, you'll qualify with the Bachelor of Science in Biology, Mathematics and Education. Broadly for this course, you have a lot of freedom in first year. We require you to take one module in Maths and Science Education. If you're still pursuing Biology, Maths and Education in second year, there's two core modules we require you to take in education, but otherwise you have biology and maths and some electives to take. If in third year you're saying, I absolutely want to have my degree in Biology, Maths and Education, the content is more specific to you qualifying in biology and mathematics. So the course is delivered through all of the various modules that you will take every year, and there's a variety of different ways that you'll experience your education. Obviously we have lectures, we have small group tutorials, we have small group projects, active learning environments, there's a lot of lab work and practical work, even if you're doing statistics that involves lab work on the computer. So everything is very practical. It's incorporating the most up-to-date research in the sciences and in the education spaces. So it's really something that's very engaging, very active, requires independent learning but also a lot of collaboration. So throughout the undergraduate degree there's an optional fieldwork placement in first year where you'll go and observe in a primary school how they teach science and mathematics. In second year there's another placement, and then in the summer of third year you have the option to go on industry placement again in fourth year, and if you move on to the Masters you'd have options for placement in fifth year in industry. Throughout the undergraduate degree then you'll be on school placements in the spring of third year and all through the academic year in fourth year, and UCD organises those placements for you. So by the end of the degree you have a lot of placements in schools but also in industry, and that adds to your profile as a teacher because you'll really know what it means to work in STEM industry. There's a variety of work opportunities for graduates in this course. Obviously a lot of our graduates will go into post-primary school teaching, and there's a huge shortage of mathematics, computer science, physics, applied maths, biology, chemistry teachers out there. So there's a lot of work for them here in Ireland, but also abroad. We have graduates in other countries, including England and Malaysia. It's definitely a qualification that you can travel with. Some of our students have finished their Bachelor of Science and gone straight into a PhD. Some of our students have finished their Bachelor of Science and gone straight into industry. So because you're studying in the College of Science with other science students, you really do have a lot of opportunities to go elsewhere if you'd like to after your qualification. I would recommend students to study biology, mathematics and education here in UCD because you'll be studying biology with all of the undergraduate students who are taking biology. You'll be studying mathematics with the other students who are taking mathematics at undergraduate level. And so you're here, you're within the College of Science, you're being taught by scientists who are doing a lot of research in their content but also using that research to inform their teaching. And it's a great space in which to learn your science but also in which to learn to become an educator. So I think if you're thinking about education, doing it here within the College of Science is a real advantage.